Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect a GoDaddy domain with Hostinger hosting and install WordPress. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Then click on add website and select WordPress. Here, fill in your WordPress website language. You can select from this very long list of languages. Then fill in your WordPress administrator email or your personal email address. Then your password. Make sure to remember this email address and password because you will need to use them in order to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Click on next. Here you can create your WordPress website using AI, pre-built websites and themes, or create a blank site. For this video, I will go with blank site. And here fill in the domain name you own or registered on GoDaddy. For example, let's call it your GoDaddy domain.com. Let's say I've bought this domain name and it is registered on GoDaddy. Here, do you own this domain? Yes, use it, click on it. This domain is registered at another provider, which is GoDaddy. You'll have to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. Yes. Then click on install website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And just like that, you will be directly logged into the WordPress dashboard of your new WordPress website. As you see, this website is still using a temporary domain because there are some domain tasks to set up. Now let's go back to the H panel. You can click on this. If at the time of viewing this video, they changed this button, you can access it from here. hpanel.hostinger.com. Go back to the websites page and you will see your domain or GoDaddy domain here. Now, or to access this website dashboard, click on dashboard and you will see this panel where you can control your website. Here, as you see, domain isn't connected to your website. What this means? This means that yes, now Hostinger knows about your GoDaddy domain, but GoDaddy still don't know where to or what web hosting should they connect your domain with. How to do this? It's simple. Just click on check guide. Now, as you see, they are asking you to connect your GoDaddy domain to your website. How to do this? It's simple. First, visit GoDaddy.com website. I've opened it in a separate page. Then click on sign in and click again on sign in. Fill in your GoDaddy username or customer ID here, then your password, and hit sign in. Right now, I don't have a GoDaddy account, so I will show you using those images. After logging to your GoDaddy account, just hover over my account, then click on domains. After that, you will see a page with your domains. click on Manage DNS. After clicking on Manage DNS, here you will see the name servers that are set for the default name servers that are set for your GoDaddy domain. Click on Change, and then you will see this window. After that, copy this first name server, delete this default one, and paste the host, the one you've just copied. Same thing for the second name server, and delete the default one and paste the second name server you've just copied. Here, don't forget to hit this save button. And after that, this is what you need to do in order to let GoDaddy know about your website on Hostinger. So here, come back here, click on I've changed the name server's records and hit finish. As you see, if you changed your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. It may take up to 24 hours to connect your domain to your site. Do you want to get an email sent to your email address when your domain is connected? You can check this box. So, most of the time, my website gets connected without me receiving this notification. Click on close. And now all you need to do is to just wait and be patient. From time to time, you can try to access your website like that to see if it is fully connected yet. If you find that your website is accessible through your mobile phone but not yet on your computer, don't worry, this is normal. But after hours, it fully propagates on all devices and all internet providers. And this is how to connect a GoDaddy domain with Hostinger hosting and install WordPress. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.